Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedidia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a trade recap on Amazon. Today is the 21st of June 2022. It's a Tuesday, and let's jump into it. Today is a higher value level on the camarillas. We have R3 yesterday at 104.37. S3 is at 102.96. And today S3 is at 104.93 and R3 is at 107.39. So we have a higher value day, and we're supposed to be looking for longs in a higher value day. You're supposed to be going long, looking for a pullback at around R3 or even R4, and just, go long. So let's see what I did. Let's see. So at the open here, let's see. At the open, had some indecision. We found some support here at lower VWAP, the green line, and resistance at upper VWAP. So we kind of bounced around in between. I was looking at that kind of like weakness, because we're in a bear market. Stock is gapping up. It could be a short the pop kind of situation, so like false breakouts. So on the second candle, it was a wide ranging candle right here, and the volume came in, but it wasn't as big as the opening candle, which is kind of normal, but yet still it looked like it was kind of a false breakout. And I think the market makers kind of saw that, or maybe they saw that as like maybe to trap some shorts. So what happened was they had the rejection right here and sold off, right? Looks like maybe like a 50% retracement, and we closed below upper VWAP. And for me, when you close below upper VWAP, it's a sign of weakness, like beginning, right? It's the beginning of weakness. When you lose VWAP, then it's even a better sign, right? But when you lose upper VWAP, is the beginning of the weakness. So if you're more risk adverse, then you could take the earlier entry, or you could wait for the break of VWAP. But anyway, a lot of volume, even more volume came in on this rejection right here on this candle. So I thought to myself, this is looking like it's gonna sell off. So I was also looking at, I think it's called XLP, is the consumer staples of the SPY. That it's a certain sector of the SPY, XLP, that deals with only the consumer sector, so Amazon is part of the consumer sector. So I was seeing the weakness. We had another rejection right here, and we pushed down below upper VWAP again. So I thought to myself, yeah, this is a short building up here, because if we have this weak rejection, sell off, 50% retracement, try to push up, fail to even break above this candle right here, and then close below upper VWAP again, then I went short, right? So we caught, as soon as I went short, which is typical, as soon as I went short, we just bounced up, right? And let's see, I closed my position here at what was that? Let's see, what was that? I closed at 109.93, right? So that was the first trade. So then the trade kind of, in my mind, then the trade set up again. We closed below, we dipped below upper VWAP, and I went short again right here. And I put my stop loss above this area here at, I think it was, 110.55. And it just came back and stopped me out, so it was a strong stock. I was supposed to be looking for longs. The plan was to get a long right here, like go long right here at a retest of like R3 or something like that. But what I really should have done is like take this breakout right here. the breakout of the top of this candle, I should have took that and just, you know, just ride it up from there. You know what I mean? But hindsight is always 2020. So made like a, I think it's a probably like a 1.3 hour loss. And since I instilled some more rigorous risk management, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm kind of sticking more to my strategy. I'm not winging it so much, and they call it gambling. Like when you're taking too much risk, it's like gambling. It's not trading, you know. So I had to kind of rein in myself and kind of more stick to the rules of good trading, you know. And since I've done that, my kind of hit rate has gone down. So mentally, I need to adjust to the new risk management that I'm doing, you know. And let's see. This was another part of why I went short, right? Because while Amazon was pushing up, this XLP was showing a lot of selling pressure, right? And we even pulled back here. Like Amazon didn't do this, but this is the consumer sector, and we pulled all the way back. So I was seeing some weakness developing on this chart, and I thought, well, Amazon might follow suit, you know, but it never played out. So I managed my risk. Wasn't a big loss, just 1.3 hour. So I think when you consider the risk management aspect of this trade, it's still a good trade. I had some good reasons to go short, like for example this candle right here. It was a good rejection candle, right? And with the sign of like this being maybe a false breakout, I think it was still a decent trade, but maybe the second entry wasn't so wise. Like when I saw the buying happening after this, and I got stopped out here, I should have probably just started looking for longs at that point. But again, the XLP was looking crazy. You know, it pulled all the way back. So I was kind of using that as a gauge. And that's it for today, man. You know, 2 trades, sticking to proper risk management, not going crazy like before. Just trying to stay humble in the markets, you know, humble and wise, you know what I'm saying, and do the right things. And now you can see like we're probably getting this pullback here now, and now the short is gonna materialize. So it's probably I was just early to the trade, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's King Yedidia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and you all trade safe and stay blessed.